When the red light of the device flashes slowly, press and hold for 3 to 5 seconds to restore the factory setting first. Then connect your phone to your home Wi-Fi. Open the Star Eye app, add a device, confirm that the device has been reset, click next, select the reverse scan code, find the Wi-Fi at home you want to use in the list and enter the password to confirm that it is correct. Click next. Choose to allow modification of system setting. Choose to continue network configuration. Point the camera at the QR code and keep a distance of 15 cm. When the indicator light of device changes, it means the code scanning is successful. Set a password, watch the video screen.